Hello and welcome to Rick's Kits. Here we are with another update on this 57 Matchbox tbird with 1/16 scale. I'll start with the body. Got the chrome aluminium. Bloody hell, what do you call it? So you've got stuff in front of me and this stuff, bare metal foil. With bare metal foiled around the window. I haven't done much anything else. I put a little bit of bare. I think I'm going to put some bare metal foil down in here. I think because I've seen some pictures of these vehicles with like a metal seal along there, Thunderbird on it, but obviously I can't put Thunderbird on. Got the solid top. We've sprayed this with polished aluminium, represent stainless. I do have a chrome fitting that needs to go in the circle and a lens as well. Excuse me. Chassis wise, we've engine, we've got plugs on the distributor. The only thing I haven't done, I haven't put them in order. They're wired as far. Real car, I don't intend to represent. All the underside is done. Exhaust and everything. Wheels are on. They do fall off. The chrome caps are gone. Yeah. I need to go in there. See, told you they fall off. We'll take a bit from on my nerves and hitting the deck. My interior, part of it. We've got bare metal foil here, dashboard area, red and white thing, finish on it. So red and white, yeah, I saw this in black. Oh, and I quite liked it. I like the effect of it. Bare metal foil extends around in here, and the red extends around on the panel, as well as white. So yeah, it's getting there. I've still got to make a door pillar. Like this one broke off. Do that. Oh, we got chrome. So yeah, it's getting there. The only two things that are a little bit disappointing for me is I never actually can't do anything with the glazing, unfortunately. See this, probably just about see the start of it. There. There's a crack, and it runs right center of it, just about. Runs right the way through the glass. So I've had to clean this as best as I can, and that's as good as it's going to get. Otherwise, that will snap in half. I won't be able to sort it out. And also the glazing on the back. Got this lovely, great big pink middle of the glazing on the back. So I don't know what to do. Give it a go, see if I can. Let's see there. See if I can get it out. If not, it'll end up the same as that if I can't get it out. So it is what it is. These are old kits sitting in somebody's attic for a long time, and then sitting in my shelf for God knows how long. These things happen. We know they do, and it's nearly always down to the rubber tires. Nearly always down to the rubber tires. Yeah, that's pretty nasty. Oh well. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thank you to all my subscribers, all you new subscribers. Really appreciate you coming on board. I wouldn't have a channel without you guys. I'm close to getting this done now, so this will probably be up in the week as a finished item. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.